ye ma me buafu na mom mo obi nkodi obi atem ukodi do obi atem wie na so wie a wo se yankoye a unity I mean say unity no eye ayi mo ana mu kreti
enipa bi akoma wosoro ekasa ye pememo party no yankomo ye ma minisa wo sika minsire sika mo hie fo promotion mu dibi kasa kokugudro so ye sika fo please who bold up and yet a crew because some of them cannot even speak the way they speak. You got bomb fear crowd funny.
Uncle Fono saw me, yes, I did me dim by yero. It's now on Babamoho.
After 2024 general elections, NPP din cho ede abai ekoma MDC asisi NDC na ebi ahimie. Eno na NPP for say omo ye thank you tour. Na Ghana folks say thank you tour say obi a wedding cho dia thank you for ahoben. Na so omo say according to omoma no e wo say wo dance wodin cho wodin konimu aseda ne de e must what I say. Na ene omo start say omo probo e die nsem pi na akoso na nsem ne de ai ebi se wani ankasa me say wo so wodi wani hu bi na ada waso enso etidi sesi ade Honorable Agyapong any Abronye showdown pa enya sam ketwa we you pro man let's talk ghtrends and any first time I pop into a video make sure so subscribe ama me no click your notification bell on so said be your latest updates be on sabeka na fe wa follow Facebook as let's talk ghtrends and TikTok so sa as let's talk gh said be news be the better from be on sa e bitimi aka nebusia NPP thank you to your mu ye dem zo mu be wi na change them de na e bebre Chese Divya nearby Saturday no nearby and say a Dr. Mahmoud Baumia can say ono kwano enye religion ti ana omututiano na emumu MPP for na nkwoto aba what I say e kan ya kan say no ko ye Muslim no kwa Reverend Intim Fojo the constituency wo kwa ye adwuma chen na say abayenze rebe media na so nkofo e twe ne sere ne abasa e de ebiom na aba de abasisi ade any Honorable Agyapong and na chere say anyone near Abronye de way a fire for fire just say a kutia showdown ankasa e wo mo makachi just say thank you to na adani showdown
arrogance and the dear duru babi a yeduri raging ha mo say me two me nine ko single constituency e ko kachire obi say yanto aba ma candidate bi mu wuye mo amene mo tena da mu kura di mo say me fro obi say to aba ma particular candidate. But the binum de me din call ye campaign wie ye no. Omo wie ye no no ma konkran. Abronye no na agiba omi campaign ayere. Ba no kura ne say omo ba mo ho campaign omo say Abronye na soma mo. Omo say Abronye na soma say ye me ye campaign ko meboa. Yesa mo di ho adanse ye say ma miema no amfro obi a. Sa nkrofo no so omo ye sa de me din ba ayere. E tena omo be ba mo ho. But this time no omaye ma me buafu na mom mo obi nkodi obi atem ukodi do obi atem wie na so wie a wo se yankoye a unity I mean say unity no eye ayi mo ana mu kreti Professor Makwe report o se ye kwa abato a ensema ye ka no eno na no andisi fo ye re eyusutie na mom wo ya propaganda no obi be yi ano dia entna social media say who didn't panatem now we are wabakasa memfa wadamfo
media I'm telling you the truth obia onye beman chobia but party nti enipa bi tumi kasa te so omo member a back contributions here in Zika omo tumi be mu kosesere and they talk as if the whole world is for them. It's not for them. And yet a crew because some of them cannot even speak the way they speak. You got bomb fear crowd funny. If you were podcast, no, I'm barren by too long. You see, your panokura, Mumianka, I will not respect you, but may respond to anybody. And yes, I'll go showdown. Anybody akuma wasro, ekasa, your pememo party, no, your ma. Minisa wo sika minsire sika mo hie fo promotion mu dibi kasa kokugudro so ye sika fo please who bold dog number to ya toku anyhow Who bongo? Number to your talk anyhow. Kukuru. Sisi ya du so no. Ono
so ede amame. Ebusia efi se MPP abatwe yi kwa wie ya omudi ntwoi. Ayete se omasomu ndwo omu ni titiri ene Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia. Chese menye sure se wadakora manasuma adwoneda because de bia se ye bonyumgu na sumani. Ade ane nkofo obusa se eye den ne ma NDC to me wi ya ene wo hwe intervals na million na nya asem ketwa kra. Na no ana owusu bempa ono ena ye MPP Deputy Communication Director. Wa baba be kasa wo kika nsem bia wo kire se nkofo ba ne ho na ba bia onamu bia no eye Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia ana mu puti blame no on him.
Going on in this country, Ghanaians are getting the youth for this country. They're losing interest in politics. The NPP party for the first time in a taxi driver. Okay, Mr. Bempa, for the first time I'm to Obama NDC NPP. Or you need card the reason is that Uncle find the right candidate that you want to come and vote for. And these are evidence on the ground. God is my witness. It's a joke. Say you better Niaki can someone actually Yagazo you do about 3 times and you do about 4 times and it's way and now we. That is not the thing that we are saying. We are listening to the ordinary Ghanaian people. What they are saying. Maybe they have no opinion. My core grounds are the amount for and I make a opinion. It's got nothing to do with Professor Marco Committee.
No, but make you are jumping the gun.
Yeah, politicians. Yeah, political party. What you say? Mimpe we intina store money on my doors.
Right.
Men are never the busa, but don't tell you busa. And what busa men am there to say the future of MPP depend on these 2 gentlemen. And has made it emphatic. And now busa said, yeah, I'm saying. Me call ground so taxi driver no be who usu bempa oni MPP ni usu bempa no aba usu bempa mo anfa so mesi ama ye to aba and we busa me the reason why na me chew the reason why it's got nothing to do with Professor Marco Committee. This is everywhere. People, I was in New York. I was almost heckled by Ghanaian community in New York. Say ye two mu for amuntu ko radio zo am kanse mu fa so mesi mra Kennedy Agyapong mra ye beto aba. And it's not a joke that I'm sitting here talking about something. I'm talking about what I am hearing. And God is my witness. I'm not going
so
to
you agree that
talking about anything.
So you admit
yes
and agree. Said 2024 no. You presented the wrong candidate.
I don't know.
No, you presented the whole thing.
I don't know.
From what you are saying,
I'm saying
taxi driver day, community of New York day.
I'm not here.
So you present the wrong candidate in 2024. I'm not here to condemn anybody. I'm making inferences on what you are saying.
Tell you what the ordinary Ghanaian are saying.
The people prefer Kennedy Agyapong over Bawumia.
Why? Put your camera on the streets of Accra. Put your camera.
So you presented the wrong candidate.
Put your camera.
So clearly you presented the wrong candidate for this.
Listen, put your camera.
It's one candidate I'm going to call.
Put your camera on the streets of Accra. Put your camera there. You are a grassroots person. You will be a wood pack away free person. Go down there with the hidden camera and ask the ordinary people why they